Hi to my royalties out there, welcome to my channel. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell icon to keep you updated on my latest videos. Thank you for the support. Now let's get on with the show.
Counting birds on the tree. Every day I live in my own world. In my pretty dolls I had to go to shop and pick out a silly top dress, drawing on my green top, climbing to the moon. Promise jumping into the river.
1. Add the picture.
Every day I live in my own
2. Skip other steps until you can add effects.
so shy, so right.
3. Now look for April 2nd effect and click apply.
The same
4. Then add SPC Fade 70 and click apply.
so
5. Now screenshot the photo and go back to Picsart homepage. 6. Add the edited photo for some adjustments. 7. Go to Tools, crop the photo and adjust. 8. Add adjustments. Clarity 20, saturation 10, highlights -30, shadows 30.
Thinking happy my boat floating down the path. Promise finding
Save it
birds
and
waiting
you're
for
done.
day.
If you like this video, drop a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions, make sure to leave a comment down below. Have a wonderful day. Until next time.